What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and today we've got something brand new from Deatschwerks. This is their all new redesigned fuel rail kit. As you can see, I've got two kits here beside me. You've got your top feed and then your side feed conversion for like your early model STIs and some of the Foresters, that kind of stuff. Anyway, let's get into what makes this different. So instantly, when you pick it up, you can just tell, especially if you've ever handled the old Deatschwerks fuel rail, which I happen to have right here. This is just much more sturdy. You can see the brackets are significantly thicker, much more substantial, and come pre-installed. But if you do happen to take them off, you've kind of got a little indent there, so you can only put it on one way, which is really nice. The other thing, these are -8 in and out, and then you also have a 1/8 PT port here at the top, where you can add in alternate fuels, use it for fuel pressure monitoring, basically whatever you want to do, you can do that with that port. Another thing, the actual ports for the injectors are slightly beveled on this one. Kind of helps the O-ring fit down in, prevents it from getting cut or even, kind of squishing together, causing leaks. The design itself is significantly improved. Here you kind of have this blocky design, and then on the new one you kind of have a, call it like a bullet style, much more slim, but still higher capacity in regards to volume there, which makes a big difference, especially if you're going for big power. And I love the engraving, all the little details down to, the CNC marks there on the ends. And then we've got our side feed conversion kit, which will include the bracket specific for the side feed TGVs. And I actually love the little holes that they've drilled out there in the bracket. Very cool there. You can see the bracket bolt spacing is just slightly different. So if you have side feed TGVs, you want to run top feeds, you can buy this kit, buy the top feed fuel injectors, and you'll be good to go. And they do include the adapters, which pop down into your TGVs, allow you to run the top feed fuel rails. Pretty genius. Now, installation on these is going to be just like stock. Simply bolt them on, but now you can run your AN fittings, your AN ORB fittings, just like that. Hook up your fuel system, and you're good to go. So if you are looking to upgrade your fuel system, whether you're wanting to switch out to bigger injectors, you want to go from side feed to top feed, definitely check out the brand new Deatschwerks fuel rails. I'll post a link down below to both these kits. Oh, and one last thing, if you want to buy just the rails, you can, where before you had to buy this in a combo with the injectors. This will fit, any OE style or OE fitment injector. Very, very cool. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.